Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a how to make or set up a tech deck. So the things that we need are these things, which are I'm pretty sure like the trucks to like put the wheels on. We need 2 of those. We need a deck, like any deck. Then we need grip tape that should come in the set. You need 4 wheels. 4 gold little things, 8 of these, and then 1 tool. So this is like a screwdriver to screw in these into here, and then this is used to like put these onto like the wheels that go onto here. They're basically like nuts that go onto wheels. So let's get started. So now it's time to assemble the things. So let's move everything out of the way. Just hope I don't lose any parts because there aren't much spares. Okay, so most of the things that we need are these 3 pieces. So this counts as 1 because they're the same piece. So what we need to do is we need to grab this. So then this goes like this. So then we gotta like put the thing like this. So then it's going inwards. This thing is pointing inwards. Well, it's most likely pointing outwards, but the border should be on the outside. So what we need is 4 of these, I don't know how you call them, but we just need 4 of those. So what we need to do is we need to do this, and then we gotta line up the holes. So if that makes sense, line up the holes, grab a nail, push it through first, make sure it's actually going through. Then once you got it lined up, grab your tool and then start twisting. Now this part can take some time and it might take a long time, but it's quite frustrating if you don't get it first try. It's quite hard as well. Especially if you have shaky hands like me, it's incredibly hard to do this. So see, this is what I mean, like it's super hard, like okay, so I have done the first one. So after we've done the first one, we gotta do the second one. Okay, so grab another one of these, put it in. Now, if you have this one tight enough, it won't move. So you can do it peacefully, and then it won't like fall out. So I'm just gonna quickly do the rest of them, and you just follow on. I'm just gonna keep on doing it until I finish.
Roger, Roger.
Okay, so here I am nearly done. So here, I'm done. Okay, so time for the next part. So what do we have to do? Since now this doesn't move, see? It doesn't move except for this, which it should move. So now we just gotta move on to doing the second part. Okay, so let's get right into it. So now it's time for the second part, I guess, of building the wheels, the trucks I mean. Okay, so we gotta line this up quite carefully so then we don't miscalculate it. Now then we put it through any hole, and we gotta make sure it goes through one of these, which I'm gonna try and make it go through that one. So once we have it aligned, we start twisting. And here we go. We are now done. Just a few more push and turns. Okay. So once we got that tight enough, we just gotta make sure it doesn't move. Okay, that's good. So now the next part is a little bit easier. We're gonna put this second one in, and then we can start twisting away. So I'm gonna do the rest of them in 2 times speed or 3 times, I don't know, maybe quite faster.
What the dog doing?
Okay, so it is time for part 3. So I've done these 2 and now we go on to the wheels. So my way of doing this is to grab a wheel, put the gold thing in. Pretty sure it's called a bearing, I don't know, I'm not that good of a person to remember stuff. And then I use the screwdriver to put it in the center. Once you have it in the center, perfectly aligned, I put this all the way down. And then I just start twisting until you feel it not twisting anymore, like until it's hard to twist it. So keep twisting. So it might get stuck in here like this, but that's actually like a better thing, I guess. It's not really a problem. So when it gets hard to twist, you know that you've done a good job. Like, see right here, it's getting hard to twist. So now we have it in and it won't fall down. So time to do the second wheel. So grab the wheel, put it down, put the little gold thing in, hoping that it goes into the middle, and then you start putting it on the tech deck. I would say that part 4 is the easiest part because of one reason. It's mostly just peeling this off. So now what we have to do is just peel this off, which is quite annoying sometimes, again. So once you peel it off, like it's quite hard sometimes, so why am I struggling on this? I thought peeling this off was easy. Underestimated it. Okay, so nearly done, and we got it. Okay, so this is basically like a sticker. So we gotta find the logo, and then we gotta put it like, okay, so I'll do. So then we do it like this and hope for the best. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I guess that was kind of a lost part, but here are some tips. So, you know, like, here, like, it's like hard to turn. So you unscrew these. When you unscrew them, the things become more loose. So now, like, they go like a little bit more. There's something stuck in there. Okay, anyway. So now your techdeck is done. So now you can start doing cool tricks with it. Like, I can't really do much, but I can't do a kickflip. I can't do a lot, but I can do some stuff like basic like movement like this. But yeah, that was close. But okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video and goodbye.
What the dog doing?